let's understand how we can create a modules. To create any module in Python, first we need to write a code. Then we need to save it with .py extension. Now, during saving, first we have to give name to our name to our file, and after that we have to add .py extension. Here .py extension tell it is a Python file, and the name whatever you are giving, that is only the name whatever you are giving to your file, that is only the name of your module. For example, I have written any Python code and I am saving it first time. That time my system will ask what the name you want to give to your file. That time I will write my file name as a Google and .py, because I have written it in Python language, and the extension which is used for Python is .py, and the name .google which I have given to my file, that is only my module name. Okay. Now let's move ahead and understand little bit more about modules. Now we have created module. Now let's understand how we can use a module. Okay. To use any module in an function, or what you can say in your program, to use any module in your program, first we need to import it at the starting of the program. Okay. And how we can do that? For that, we have to use import keyword and the file name, or you can say it module name. Now, here one more question arises: why you have not given google.py, that is Python extension? You are writing here file name, no? Then why you have not given .py extension? .py giving .py extension giving inside a Python program is not required. Okay, Python can understand it, and automatically it will add. Now let's just understand how to access features of modules, means the code which is there inside a module, how we can access it. First, for that, first we need to take name of our module, like Google, it is a module, and then we need to use dot operator which is used to link, and the function whichever there inside that file. Okay, in this way we can access uh, that function uh, that function into our code, or you can say into our program. Now let us understand how we can rename or give alternate name to our module. To give alternative and giving alternative name and renaming, why it is so? Sometimes in Python, for few modules they have given very large names, means those names are very big. So every time for calling any simple function we have to take very big names. So to make that short, to make our as a more comfortable, here the concept of renaming is introduced. So what we are doing, instead of taking the full name of that module or file, we are taking a small name. That means the original name we are replacing with the small name, and that small name is user based, that you can give as your choice. For example, Google is my module name, and using as keyword I am able to give short name to my uh, module. Okay, so whenever I have to use any feature of that module, I will use gl dot and that function name which is stored inside that module. Hope you have understand this. Meet you again. Thank you for watching.